In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Before you begin, make sure the list of items you want to use already exists somewhere in your workbook, usually on another sheet. This is important because your drop-down list will pull its options from that data. It also helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to reuse the same list later. Once your source data is ready, go to the sheet where you want the drop-down menu to appear and click on an empty cell. This is the cell where users will be able to choose from the list, so make sure it's in the right location before moving on. Next, look at the top of the Excel window and click the Data tab. This section contains tools for controlling what can be entered into cells, and that's exactly what we need for a drop-down list. From there, click Data Validation. A settings window will open, and this is where you define the type of input allowed in the selected cell. In the Allow field, click the current option, which may say any value. Then change it to List. Choosing List tells Excel that the cell should display a drop-down menu instead of accepting just any entry. After that, click into the Source field. This is where you'll tell Excel where the list options are coming from. Now, click the Sheet tab that contains your source data. Once you're on that sheet, highlight the cells that contain the items you want included in the drop-down list. Be careful to select only the actual list items you want users to choose from, and try to avoid blank cells if possible, since those can appear as empty choices in the menu. When your range is selected, click OK to confirm. Excel will save that selection as the source for your list. Now, go back to the original sheet where you started. Click the cell you selected earlier, and you should now see a drop-down arrow. When you click it, your list of options will appear, ready to use. This is a simple but very useful feature in Excel because it helps keep data entry consistent and reduces typing errors. If you're building forms, trackers, or shared spreadsheets, drop-down lists can make your file much easier to use. And that's how to create a drop-down list in Excel.